Well, hello. You know, I know I need to get to my water irrigation. I do, and I will. But I have these little succulents that came, and if I don't unbox them, they went through so much care to give it to me this way. I wanted to make sure that I unboxed them and took care of them. And this is from Succulent Express Nursery. I didn't go with their subscription box. I wanted to see, look, it's like on little fluffy pillow clouds. Oh, yeah, see, they've come a long way, and she went through a lot of care to make sure that they got to me safely. You see that one? I think that's pretty. I'm making a fairy garden, so I'll show them all to you when I'm done. Trying to get better visuals here. Oh, I like that coloring. That's very pretty. Yeah, I'm building my own little fairy garden. Aww. Now, I did look them over enough to see whether or not anything was damaged. And really, I was so happy, really happy with how well everything got to me. A lot of care. I like the coloring on this one. I've never really been into succulents before, so this is kind of new to me. This one is kind of interesting. That's going to be interesting if you think about my little succulent world in my fairy garden. Oh my. Oh, that is very lovely. I like that. I don't remember how many come in this box, but I just thought I'd pick them up here and there. Aww. And the exciting part, oh, here's another one of those. Ooh, that's very interesting. Very interesting. So it's going to have interesting trees, kind of like Dr. Seuss meets Alice in Wonderland meets Tim Burton. Well, I'll show you. But see, this is the fun part. All these little pieces that fell off. Yeah, don't be so sad. Because now they're going into my little succulent garden. Well, this little one that I'm doing right now, I'm not sure that one will really help me, but it should grow me a new little succulent. So, oh. And there you have it. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Just a quick little unboxing. And hopefully I'll be coming to you soon, starting the fairy garden. And with the water drip irrigation system and the cash giveaway. I will talk to you guys later. You guys have a lovely day. Oh, you know I will as well. Bye.